Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. And I'm starting this project using one of this cardboard piece which I cut it in a half moon shape, and I'm also using this wooden skewers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick it just like this. And I'm placing the second skewer next to it using a dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to keep doing it until I fill up this half moon. And I'm using this pruning scissors to cut up these wooden skewers according to the size of the cardboard. And we have this completed half moon attached with all the skewers. Now I'm taking the antique wax and mixing with a little bit of water, and I'm going to paint this wooden skewers with that mixture, just like this. Now I took this mop head and I'm going to pull all those strands, and I'm going to make it into half and attach it to the back of the cardboard, just like that. And I took off the camera and attached all those mop head strands to the back of the cardboard piece. Now I'm taking this wired burlap strand and I'm going to cut it into a small piece and make it into a curve, and I'm going to attach it to the back of the cardboard just like a thing to hang on the wall. Now I'm unraveling those mop head strands and I'm going to comb it. So this is how it looks after I combed it, and now I'm going to cut it evenly, measuring the length that I want. And this is all done. What do you think? And the other one is this beautiful wall hanging, and I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Bohemian Fall collaboration with 20 amazing creators and a special guest host, Miguel from Miguelitos DIY. I'll leave the link of the playlist in my description box for you all to see, and please do click on all of our videos. There is a huge giveaway of $100 Dollar Tree gift card and hard to find 8 farmhouse calendars from Dollar Tree. All you have to do is answer all our questions and write it down in the description box. Isn't that easy? So all the best, y'all. DIY number 2. I got this beautiful boho print wall sticker from Dollar Tree, and also this nice shadow box which had like a shiplap background. It's a laundry sign, and I'm removing the center laundry sign using the spatula, and it is kind of easy to remove. Now I'm going to peel the sticker and I'm going to attach it on top of the shadow box, just like this. And that's it. We have this beautiful boho wall art. So this is another boho art, and when I saw this sticker in Dollar Tree, I thought I should incorporate this also into one of my projects. So I'm very much in love with this, how this turned out. And I got the exact shadow box with the same length and width, and it's also having the nice same background. So I'm very happy how this worked out. I'm in absolute love with this, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. DIY number 3. This one is a repurposed shampoo bottle, and this is going to be a trash to treasure boho decor. So I just removed the sticker from this shampoo bottle, and I'm going to use this sanding stone from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to sand all the surface. And off the camera I just gave a one coat of white chalk paint, and I'm going to stick this pop-up boho stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to attach all the designs on top of it, just like this. Now I've stuck all the beautiful boho stickers. I just love this dream weaver, it's so beautiful. And now I'm going to attach this twine. I'm going to twine the mouth of the bottle. I'm going to circle it using a dab of a hot glue. And I'm planning to give a little tassel to it, so I measured the length of the tassel that I wanted to have it, and I'm using this huge wooden beads as a tassel decor. I'm knotting the end of the twine where the bead is going to go, and I'm going to use the other side of the twine, and I'm also going to insert a bead on the other end, and I'm going to knot it down. So I took a dab of a hot glue, and I'm attaching my tassel, one smaller and one longer, just like this. How do you think? So this is the final reveal of my boho style planter. Like you saw the process, this is one of my used shampoo bottle converted into a boho planter. All I did was just painted this with some more white chalk paint, and I stuck all these boho stickers from Dollar Tree and some twine in the top and some wooden beads as a tassel and some greenery, fall greenery. So yeah, this is one of my boho project I'm very much in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. DIY number 4. I'm taking one of the Dollar Tree 6x8 canvas frame, and I'm going to use these two colors. One is like a light beige and one is like a light brown, and I'm going to take a dab of those paints. I'm going to give like a random block of paint, just like that. I didn't have any plan to have a particular design. I'm just circling it with these two colors, and the third block that I'm going to create will be the mixture of these two colors. My magic word to enter into the giveaway is boho vibes, so please enter boho vibes in my description box. Now my paint blocks are all done. I'm going to let it dry, and now it is completely dry. I'm going to draw a leaf design using a pencil. Now I'm using this fine tip marker, and I'm going to basically highlight those lines that I drew earlier. Wow, this turned out so good. I'm so happy about it. What do you think? So this is the final reveal. I'm so much happy how this turned out. And one of the Boho Art, I've been seeing this with so many creators, so I wanted to also try my hand on this. So yeah, I'm in absolute love with this project, so let me know your thoughts on this. DIY number 5. This is just a quick hack. I won't even call it as a DIY. I'm going to use one of this glass lantern that I used for my previous project. As you can see, the baker's twine and the top of the bottle. All I'm using is this glass stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. It's got like nice boho art on it. I wanted to incorporate this. So I'm going to use this shiny Mod Podge to secure the stickers. And this is a very simple and easy project. And this is one of the glass lantern from Dollar Tree. And I used some of this stickers which had nice boho design on it. And all I did was just stuck them. And then I had a candle inside. And that's all it needs. So it turned out so beautiful effortlessly. So I'm very much in love with this. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. These are the few simple and easy Dollar Tree based boho projects that I'm very much in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite? You want to give any suggestions towards my channel? I would appreciate that. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.